Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. So you want to know more about strongest dog bites? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about strongest dog bites is dogs.lovetoknow.com. See the page titled Which Dog Breed Has the Strongest Jaw? Love to know. Here's the link. You can also try www.rottweilerlife.com, especially the page Strongest Dog Bites, Rottweiler Life. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.youtube.com. The web page Top 10 Strongest Dog Bite Forces, YouTube. Here's the link.